Hey everybody, thank you for joining me. I really appreciate you. I wanted to do a Birchbox unbox. Feels like there's a bunch of little stuff in here, so let's see what we have. I have a couple other unboxings and card making session coming up, so that will be next. I don't have my earpods, so I will try to talk a little louder. They're charging. Okay. One more. Oh, it's cute. I like this. Okay, so this is Birchbox. This month we challenge you to spend an extra 2 minutes applying body lotion after your shower. We know it's easy to skip over, but that step... we know it's easy to skip over that step, but your hands and knees and elbows need some love too. Believe me, with this quarantine, all of me need some loving. I'm working my booty off. Ooh, what do we got? Ooh, oh my gosh. Okay. First, Dr. Lip Original Nipple Balm for Lips. Which one is it? Is it this one? Yes. Will it focus? Probably not. There we go. So this is a lip balm sample. It's 3 milliliters. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. I'm gonna put this at my desk at work. Come on. It's clear, well, translucent, kind of. Can you see? There we go. Nipple balm for your lips. Alrighty. Next, we have Floss Beauty, my everyday eyeshadow. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to say. For this Dr. Lip, the full size is $14.50. It's multi-purpose, 100% natural formula, works to rehydrate skin, lips, and soothe sunburns, tame unruly eyebrows, and nourish thirsty cuticles. Oh, my girl just said that my cuticles were like ridiculously dried out. She gave me so much oil after she did my manicure, and I know it's from hand sanitizer. So anyway, next, Floss Beauty Everyday Eyeshadow from Tokyo. Full size is $16. This buttery soft shadow glides on smooth and instantly lights up your eyes with a subtle shimmer of long-lasting color. It can be applied with your finger or a shadow brush. So let's look and see. It is never tested on animals, it says. Let's see what color we got. Ooh, that's pretty. It's like a peach, a shimmery peach. Here's what the lid looks like. It says floss. It's upside down. Hold on. Good gravy. Okay. There. Floss. Okay. I might wear that today. I don't know. Let's see. Next is Lucetta Beauty. It's a first time sampling of a perfect bonding number 3 restoring leave-in cream. Here we go. I found it. I can't tell if it's focused because I don't have my glasses on. They're on my head. This full size is $24. It protects your hair from heat, UV rays, and pollutants with this strengthening leave-in cream. Work a small amount through damp hair from mid-length to end. Mid-length to end. Then style as usual. But I have super short hair, so maybe I'll give this to my son, Justin, because he could use some for his frizzy, curly, white man afro he's got going on. Okay. Next is Luxie Beauty, a 245 small shader brush. Okay. Let's see. This full size is $15. This eyeshadow brush has a thin rounded tip for precise application of your favorite powders or cream shadows. Use short strokes to pack the pigment onto your lid and blend well. Yay, I finally have a real eyeshadow brush. I've been using Let's see. This one. Oh, look, they're pretty similar. Whoops, let me get in the camera. Sorry about that. That's not bad. I did pick the right one. Okay. But now I have a real eyeshadow brush. It's a little more firm than the other one. And it comes to a point at the top. I know it's blurry. I think it's blurry. It looks blurry to me. I'm sorry. That's going right into my brush container. Right now, I got two more, you guys. Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. Yep, this one. It says it's $43 full size. When the skin is still damp from cleaning, leave on this facial treatment for 5 minutes before massaging in and rinsing off to detoxify and nourish skin. Use 3 times a week. Australian Pink Clay. And make sure you do a patch test in case you have sensitive skin, and it's not tested on animals either. These are all sealed, so I can't really look at it, but there we go. Sand and Sky. That's cool. And the last one is Arrow, a cooling cheek tint. This will be interesting. Coral Pink, full size is $18. This cheek tint gives a natural flush that's hydrating and long lasting. Perfect for summer days. Apply a small dot on your cheeks and blend out with your finger. Layer for more color. Oops! Oh, I didn't mean to do that much. I'm glad I didn't do that on my face. Jeez. That would have been bad. Okay. So, if you can see right there, just blend it out. It does feel moisturizing, like a really good lotion. And it's gone. It didn't leave very much color. So that's why I guess you would layer it. I don't know. Okay. That was fun. So now I have 2 more coming. And then I'm going to be doing a wreath or 2. Or, well, actually I have 5 wreaths to make. So that's what these boxes are right here. This one and then the one underneath it. And I still have to put those in the garage. I need to do that today. I hate it when you only have 2 days off. Okay. So that is that for Birchbox. Yes, Birchbox. Hashtag Birchbox. Okay, you guys. I'll see you soon because I have another one coming.